Social media strategy is a long game that anyone can play. It just takes a little practice. With thousands of brands online, having a strategy is crucial, especially if you want to stand out from your competition. Hi, I'm Jamia, and today I'm your Sprout Social Coach. I'll teach you how to create your first strategy in just 7 steps. Before we start, social media moves fast. Subscribe to our channel to keep up. So, why have a social strategy? Because your audience is already on social. A strategy will be your roadmap to how you engage with them, so you can maximize your social presence and grow your business. 1 in 3 consumers say social media is a preferred way to learn about brands. It's a one-stop shop for people to discover your brand, your customer service, and to find helpful insights for your business. But social media is an investment, and you need a strategy to make the most of it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now that you know why you need a strategy, let's get started on your game plan. The first step is setting social media goals for your business. Consider the business goals you already have. What does your brand want to accomplish? Consider how social can help you meet those goals. Some common goals include increase brand awareness. This means you want more people to know about your brand. Generate demand. This refers to increasing your leads, sales, and conversions. And boost engagement, which means your online community actively engages with you on social media. Try to keep your goals simple and realistic. Start off with 1 or 2 that align with your business goals and rally your team behind them. The next step is researching your target audience. You can't build a strategy unless you know who the content is for. So, use your target audience to guide everything, from your content to the social networks you use most. Think of it like this: you wouldn't try to sell a soccer jersey to a tennis fan. Get to know your audience by looking at key demographics, like their age, location, and even the networks they prefer. For example, if you're a makeup brand targeting Gen Z, posting tutorials on their favorite networks like TikTok could be a hit. And pay attention to the content your audience likes, comments on, and shares the most. This can help you decide what kinds of posts to do more of and which you can scrap. Each social network has an analytics section that can show your top demographics and posts. You can also use a social media management software like Sprout Social to learn about your audience and posts too. Your followers are your fans. Doing this research will win you major points with them. The next step is define your KPIs. No matter your industry or goals, your strategy should be data-driven. This is why defining your KPIs is so important. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. A KPI is a metric used to measure and analyze the performance of your strategy. Likes, comments, and shares are common KPIs for social, but there are a lot of metrics to choose from. Keep it simple and select the KPIs that best match your business goals. Go beyond the vanity metrics like follower count, which don't tell you the full story. Instead, look at bigger picture metrics like engagement. A large following looks great, but if your followers aren't engaging through likes, comments, and shares, you're not truly making a connection. Remember, KPIs are used to analyze your social data. It takes a combination of metrics to see if you're reaching your goals, so avoid relying on just one. Now it's time for step 4. Keep an eye on the competition. Think of this as watching your rival team play. What content scores them the most points, and where do they drop the ball? Do a quick search on Google and social media to identify your competition. Analyze their profiles to identify their high and low points. Then compare their social presence to your own. Also pay attention to captions, popular hashtags, and trends for inspiration. Doing this will help you think about how your brand can innovate or stand out against competitors. Now we're at the most fun step, creating content. You just need a camera or smartphone to get started. You don't need an entire film crew, even though they are helpful. Hey y'all! Aim for a mix of content types to help you organize. For example, your content types could be product photos, memes, and expert tips. As you cycle through each of these, pay attention to which ones your audience enjoys seeing most. When creating, remember to connect through humanity. Consumers pick brands that align with their values. Create content that shows what your business means to you and your customers. Don't be afraid to dabble in the latest social trend or try something new too. It could lead to some of your best posts. Now for step 6, execute your game plan. If your strategy is your playbook, your content represents your players. Just like in a game, you need to stay organized and use the right players at the right time. To keep fresh content flowing, plan your posts with a content calendar. A content calendar helps you execute your strategy by organizing and planning posts for each day of the week or month. Plan how you want to engage with your audience as well. Will you respond to comments and DMs with personal responses or templates? Social customer care is important for brands. Quick responses help build a loyal community online. Social media management tools like Sprout allow you to schedule posts in advance and respond to messages on one platform. This saves you time and ensures you're posting everything at the right moment, including responses. Now for our final step, revise your strategy. You've gone through all the steps. It's time to track your progress and begin reworking your playbook, aka revising your strategy. Social is ever changing. What works this month may not work the next, so your strategy should adapt throughout the year. Plus, if you don't analyze your performance, you'll never know what is truly working. Monitor metrics in real time so you can tweak your strategy as needed, saving you from having to make sweeping, time-consuming changes at once. Remember to share your data with other members of your organization. It can help you earn buy-in from stakeholders who can help level up your brand's social strategy. Social media strategy is a long game. It's like a tournament of brands. So master the art of testing, tracking, iterating, and listening to your audience to grow your business. Now you have everything you need to build a strategy. Here's a screenshot-friendly list that recaps the 7 steps. The greatest athletes never stop training. Keep working towards becoming a champion of social. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about creating a strategy, download our guide and it'll walk you through the steps. You can click this link here or in the description. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you next time, and remember to never stop growing.